dreams in which I'm dying are the best I've ever.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, I've had a lot of caffeine today and I apologize in advance for this video and all this energy that I have going on. Okay, so anyways, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Cass and welcome. So for today's video, this challenge was inspired by none other than Nicole Mother Effin Guerrero. Yes, I said Mother Effin. This is the no makeup. This is the no mirror makeup challenge. And I wanted to do my own little twist on it. So of course, I wanted to incorporate liquor. The wine edition. Grab you a cup and pour up and watch me embarrass myself. But before we do that, I need you to smash that notification bell so you can be a part of the Glam Fam. Like, share, and comment. And as always, guys, don't forget to subscribe so you can be linked in on my newest content. So without further ado, let's dig into today's video. I'm going to flip the screen down. My confidence level is like a size medium right now. It's like a size medium, like a size medium, yeah. So literally I have no mirrors. I have a little bit of products in front of me. I'm gonna flip the viewfinder down and we're gonna get into this video. Oh my god, this is scary as shit. So I can look more into the camera. Maybe this will be a better video. There's a piece of hair right here. All right, let's start with this spray. Urban Decay B6 spray. That part was easy. No big deal. Fit Me foundation. The dewy look, I am Pure Beige 235. So let's see what this shit does. I have not done my makeup without a mirror. I've done my makeup in a car. I've done my makeup in awkward ass situations and places, but never without some type of mirror or reflection. I really don't know where to look. Where do I look? Like, where? This is so awkward. I'll just stare into your souls. It's fine. It's totally fine. Oh shit, I forgot to get my beauty blender damp. Fuck. It's all good. It's all good. We got this B6 spray, right, girl? We gotta dampen it up somehow, some way. Okay, I really don't know if this is even blended, but I feel like it takes a lot of blending. So, and this shade might be a little bit lighter than my skin tone. So, because I contour pretty dark. So, we gonna contour though. I'm not sure if this is even everywhere. We'll just do that. Okay, how's it looking? Is it looking great? I know, looks fantastic. Fan-freaking-tastic, right? Huh. I mean, it's pretty hard without a mirror, but like liquor and no mirror, whew, child. Oh, I feel like that was too much. Oh my god. I feel like it just got in my hair. That's cool. It's all good. I'm just gonna blend it out. How do people do this challenge? I'm just gonna put it over the eyebrows. It doesn't even matter. It doesn't matter at this point. Whatever. We just gonna be some blended mother suckers. Blend. All right. I feel like that's blended or whatever. I'm gonna use Fit Me powder in 325 Pure Beige matte poreless powder, and my brushes are dirty AF. I need to wash them. That's why I'm kind of doing this challenge, because I really don't care if my brushes get too messed up during this, because I need to wash them tonight. So that's why. Even this stuff out because it might not have been evened out before. And this doesn't have a mirror. See, no mirror, nothing, no reflections, so you guys know I'm not cheating. I really don't know where to look, but dead looking at the camera. So crazy. Just close my eyes. Close your eyes. I don't know the song. I don't know the lyrics. I hate when people don't know the lyrics to songs, so I'm not gonna do that to you guys. Okay. Is it? Am I good, girl? Girl. Look alright? Look okay? I don't know. Let's just hope that this made things better. Let's go ahead and use Tarte Shape Tape. This is in medium. Let's see what do we got here. All right, so okay, it's legit the right spot, I'm sure. I do my makeup every day, so you'd think I would know my own face, but I don't really know. Feels right, kinda, sorta. Yeah. Those lines felt really fucking high. I don't know if that's right, but okay. I don't know where to look. Like, this is so awkward. Because I usually look at the viewfinder, which is not a good thing when you're recording videos, but at least I got somewhere to look. At least I got somewhere to look. Oh my god. I hope this is right, because I know this shit is light as fuck underneath here. I feel like it's wine time. Oh. And my kids got their grubby little hands on the outside of my cup, so my cup looks dirty, but it's not dirty on the inside. It's just got child fingerprints on the outside. Mom life. Ugh. I don't know if that's blended. It feels blended though. Dang, I don't remember if I blended my nose or not. Did I blend my nose? I don't remember. I'm just gonna blend it again. Whew. This challenge is intense. This is my first challenge. I kind of like it. It's kind of cool, kind of fun and refreshing. All right, so let's set the, let me just, okay. Yeah. Whatever. All right, so let's set that. This also does not have a mirror. It's dirty as fuck, but it doesn't have a mirror. So I'm gonna set it with some lighter shades. Sure, why not? Let's just set it with some lighter shade. I don't know where to look. That's why I'm looking everywhere. That would probably look crazy. I'm scared to do my brows. I kind of really legit want to do them last. Kinda. Fake it till you make it, girl. Fake it till you make it. All right, so we're gonna take this same BH palette and contour. Okay, feels about right. Feels kind of right. I don't know. Feels right. Feels legit. Hollows of my cheeks. Yeah, sure. Oh fucking hell. So even when I do have a mirror, my forehead usually is not all the way blended out always. So we're gonna see how this goes. Ooh, child. This isn't the right brush for this, but we're just gonna go with it. We're just going to go with it. Okay, I feel like blend that out more, and then I always clean this up anyways. I clean it up here. Okay, and here. I don't. It feels right. It feels right. Okay. Sure. Sure. We're gonna do some highlight. Oh, I think this has a mirror, so I'm not gonna look. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm not looking at all. I'm just going to take that, okay, and see. I'm not looking. You guys can look. I'm not looking. Oh, you guys probably can fucking see my setup, but I'm not looking at it, okay? Alright. Okay, and then I'm taking my finger. Don't judge, I need to get it fixed on my nail. I don't know where to look. This shit's so awkward. Okay. I think it's wine time. I don't know if I'm gonna apply false lashes. I'm gonna attempt to do brows. and I'm gonna attempt to do some wing liner. I think, okay, let's try to do brows next. All right. Oh my god. So confidence level on brows is yeah, non-existent. So I don't even think I'm brushing them the fucking right way. Let's see. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. I don't know. I don't fucking know. I don't know if that's good or not. It feels really long. It feels really, really long, not gonna lie. I'm just gonna brush it out because I don't know what the fuck else to do. Listen, I can feel that these brows are not on fleek at all. They are not all the way together, I don't feel like. I don't know. Okay, that's my brow. Okay. Here. Oh shit. Huh. Okay, let's just do this. I don't know. Okay. Just gonna brush it out. I think. Yeah. Oh. I don't know. Alright. I'm gonna use Max Fluid Line in low lights, and I'm gonna try. We're gonna try to get this little tail of my brow. Oh shit. Oh shit. I don't feel like that did anything at all. I don't think that did anything. I don't think I have enough product on there. Kind of, sort of. Somewhat. Oh shit, I think I fucked it up. It might have been better the first time. Ooh, I feel like that's bad. I feel like that's not a good brow. But it's all good. It's for you guys. This challenge is. This one's for you. Let's try to do some liner and some mascara. I've never put mascara on without a freaking mirror. I have put on mascara in a moving vehicle, but I've never had to do it without a mirror. So we about to do this liner. Okay. Oh, I'm scared. I'm scared to do this with the mirror. Oh shit. Oh, I don't know if that was right. Huh. I can't tell where it's at. Oh fuck. Oh. She probably looks ratchet as fuck. And my nerves are bad. So I think that probably looks ratchet. Did it look ratchet? I tried. Alright, let's see. Here. Maybe if I just do it in one fluid motion. I don't feel like that was any better than the other one. But who knows? Might look alright. I don't know. Might look okay. Does it look okay? Probably not. Don't lie to me. Don't even lie. Don't even sit up there and lie to me like that. Okay, mascara. Actually, I feel like I did better at the mascara than I did the liner and the brows. I can never not make this awkward mascara face. It's always a really awkward like face. Even without a mirror. I don't know where to look. Sorry guys. Okay. Actually, this part don't seem that hard. Them brows and that liner, oh my god, I know the liner looks fucking bad. Like bad, bad. Like terrible bad. Not like you a bad bitch, like terrible. Like atrocious. I don't even think I said that word right. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. I'm drinking wine, okay? Forgive me. I think I just wiped some mascara on my skin. Feels like it. Oh, I didn't even do eyeshadow. Shit. I did liner first. Oh, glistening from the Soft Glam palette, and I'm gonna apply it to the lid. I think that's the lid, and here. And I'm also gonna apply it underneath, glistening underneath my brow bone here. I think it's here. Yeah. Legit, it's right here. Yeah, that seems legit. All right, I'm gonna take burnt orange first as my transition, and this part's easy because I can just put that right in the crease. I know where my crease is at. I just put the brush there and let the brush do its job. Okay, burnt orange, come through. Kinda. All right, we're gonna use rustic. Same brush. Girl, who cares? They're getting washed tonight anyways. Just a little bit of that right in there. I feel like that's legit. Girl, that's how we doing, because I wouldn't even know what else to do. We're gonna take Kiss Me, Live Glam Kiss Me in Very Beautiful. My lips, I feel like I got, because your lips, you know, I hope it don't overheat. How do I look? I really want to see. Okay. Okay, look at my eyebrows. Oh, wait, the liner. It's not that bad. Okay, no, it's fucking bad. Look, what is that? What is that? It's not terrible, though. Oh, that's pretty funny, though, I guess. That's pretty funny, you guys. Alright, so, well, that concludes today's video. Thank you for all the love and support you guys show me on a daily on my videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Don't forget to smash that notification bell so you can be part of the glam. See all of you in my next video. Don't forget to fly. First, love yourself.